squishy looks innocent. But wait till I inject it with AIR. Get ready for the most satisfying pop ever. So I just invented a brand new way to play with squishies, and it's absolutely chaotic. All you need is a syringe and your favorite squishy. Inject some air into it and watch tiny bubbles form inside. Then, give it a squeeze. It's crunchy, snappy, and seriously addictive. I call it bubble blasting. Want more chaos? Just keep going. More air, more pops, more fun. It's like bubble wrap, but squishier, weirder, and way more fun. Got your own creative squishy tricks? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to try them out. And hey, like, subscribe, and join me for more weird squishy experiments. See you next time, Squishy Squad.